In this lecture, we are going to work on view categories and view occasions. If you click on view categories, in my URL, I am having view categories and this view categories.php has to be included. I will copy this file name. First, we are going to create the structure and later on, we are going to write the logic. I will create the file, create div container, class I will be passing container and margin top of 4. Inside this h2, margin bottom of 4. Then I will create one font awesome FAS FA list and let me open insert category. From here I will just copy this style. I will copy this style and inside this I'm just going to paste. Next I will write all gift categories. Save this. Refresh once. Now you can see I am having title. Okay, let me change the spelling. I will pass all gift categories. Below this h2, create one div class. I will pass table responsive. Inside this, create table class table hover. Then I will create table head. Inside this table row. In total, I want 4 table headings. th into 4. First, I will pass serial number. Then next, I will be passing category name. Then next, I will pass total products. And finally, I will be passing actions. Below this table head, I will create table body. Again, I will be creating TR. Inside that, I will be creating TD. Then for displaying serial number, I will create strong tag. I will pass 1. As of now, I will only pass static data. Then same thing copy. Here category title, let me write home decor. Then another TD for total products. I will be creating span tag, class, batch info. I will give one product. Then below this last TD, I will be creating for actions. Inside this, create one div, class, I will pass BTN group. And here, I will also pass the role as group. Okay, basically we are grouping. Create anchor tag, class, BTN info and BTN small. Inside this href, this is for edit button. I will write index.php. If admin clicks on this edit button, where admin has to redirect to edit category.php. But in our URL, we should be having this parameter. So I will copy and after question mark, I'm just going to paste. And for this, we have to assign some value. Okay, whatever category ID we are having, that has to be assigned. So static data, I am passing 1. Then next, I will write title. Title is equal to edit category. Inside this anchor tag, I will be creating one font awesome. Class, I will write FA solid, FA pen to square. Then same anchor tag, I will copy. Below this, I will paste. Next, for deleting, in my URL, I should have this delete category. So here I will paste. Title, delete category, font awesome, FA solid, FA trash. Here class name, in place of info, I will be passing danger. And then I will also pass confirmation. So I will be writing on click. Let me open view products.php. Here I will be searching for return. From here, I will copy this on click. And inside this, I'm just going to paste. Are you sure you want to delete this category? So basically, we will have 2 buttons, OK and cancel. If we click on cancel, category will not be deleted. If we click on OK, then category will be deleted. Now come here. Refresh once, you can see table is displayed where we are having serial number, category name. In this category, how many products we are having, that number will be stored. And then finally, we are having edit action and delete action. Now maybe in our website, we are not having any category. So below this TR, I will create another TR. After writing the code, we are going to comment this, but later on, based on the condition, we are going to display. Inside this, I will create one TD, and for this TD, I will pass the call span as 4. In total, I am having 4 columns, so here I will be passing 4. Then I will also pass the class I will write text center. From view products itself, I will copy this complete div container and inside this paste. Change the font awesome. I will write FA folder open. No categories found. Start by adding your first gift category. Here I will pass insert category and then add category. Save this. Refresh once. You can see in this way this container will be shown. If you are not having any category, then this content will be shown to admin. But as of now, we are having categories inside the database. So I'm just going to comment this. Okay, later on we will uncomment. Then below this div container, again come to view products. From here, I will copy this div and below this, I'm just going to paste. Okay, we are just giving extra information. Total categories, remove this. Total categories, as of now, I will be passing 4. Then come to insert category. Just copy from here. I will write add new category. Okay, that's it. For view products also, we have written similar structure. So I have only copied and changed some content. Now come here, refresh once. You can see in this way, total categories will be shown and this add new category button will be shown. Exact same thing we have done for view products if you remember. Now what I will do, copy this complete structure. Inside this admin area, I will create the file viewoccasions.php and here I'm just going to paste. Now one by one, only change the content. Here I will pass FA gifts. It has to be all gift category, title, all occasions, occasion name, total products, action, occasion I will write birthday, then one product. For editing, here we have passed edit occasion. I will copy and paste. Title I will pass edit occasion. Then for deleting, copy this delete occasion and here I'm just going to paste. Delete occasion. Are you sure you want to delete this occasion? Then this will be same, but I will pass no occasions found. Start by adding your first occasion. Then where admin has to go? Admin has to go to insert occasion. I will copy and paste. Here I will pass add occasion. Then scroll down. Total occasions. Add new occasion. Okay. Only changes. Entire structure is same. Now come to view occasion. Successfully we have changed entire content. We have this total occasions, add new occasion, title and this table is displayed. Structure is same, so multiple times you don't have to repeat, only copy paste and then change the content.